Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use the Simpson's 3/8 rules formula to do the approximation for a function. Okay, let's read the questions first and identify all the information given to us. Find the approximate value for the integration between 1 to 6 for the function 2 plus sine square root 2x dx by Simpson's 3/8 rule with n equals to 15. Okay, firstly, the information given to us is n is equals to 15. So we know that the number of subsections is 15, but you can also be given the number of m. M is actually the number of main segment. So if you got the number of main segment, you can calculate the number of segments by multiple of 3. But for this case, we didn't have the m value, but we already given the value of n. So we can calculate the m is equals to 15 over 3. Why 3? Because for the Simpson 3/8 rules, the value of n must be in multiplication of 3. So we get the number of main segment is 5. So we have our fx is 2 plus sine square root 2x. Then we proceed to our first step to calculate the value of h. Okay, the formula for h is b minus a over n. So we have b here, a here. So our h is equals to 6 minus 1 over 15. Which is 1 over 3. So for this case, avoid the decimal number for h value because it is better to keep in fraction forms so we can reduce the error. The next information in the graph is our fx function. So this is our fx function. Write down here, our fx function is equals to 2 plus sine square root 2x. The next step is to prepare a table just like this. The table is similar with the 1/3 rules calculation. So for the second step, we start with fill up the column for I. So the column for I start with 0 until the value of n. So our n here is 15. Then continue to fill up the second column, which is xi. So our x naught here is start with value of a and finish at the end of x column with the value of b. So our value b here is 6 and our a value is 1. For the following value of x in this column, we need to add a h value. Okay, we start with x1. We got here is 4 over 3. Okay, how we got 4 over 3 is 1 plus 1 over 3. This is x0 and this is h. And next you have 5 over 3. This is we got from 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3. 4 over 3 is x1 and 1 over 3 is h. And continue until the end of column. Before we fill up the remaining 3 columns in the tables, it is easier for you to identify which column you need to fill up for each row. So for the first row, you need to fill up this area, the second row, and the third row, the fourth row, the fifth, and the sixth row, and make it until the end. This step is to avoid mistakes during filling up the tables. Then the next step, you put this equation into your calculator to calculate the fx value for each row. Before that, it is important to make sure that your mode in the calculator is in radian instead of degree because we have the sign in equation. Once you insert the equation in the calculator, you can click calculate and insert the first value of x, which is x0. Our x0 is 1. So insert the value in the calculator. So the value we get is 2.9878. Put in the particular column. Then proceed with the second value of x1 is 4 over 3. So calculate 4 over 3 equals, so you got 2.9981 and continue, calculate again with x value 5 over 3. equals to 2.9677. Then again calculate x2 equals to 2.9093 and complete until the end of table. Okay, once you complete the 15th row, then you can sum up for each column. And the last step, you can substitute the value that you get from the table into the formula. So this value refer to this value refer to this, and this value refer to this one. Then just substitute the value into the formula. So our H is 1 over 3, 4.679 plus 3 times 24,231 plus 2 times 349. So we got our approximation is equals to 12.2012. And it's done.